Hey guys, this is one brick at a time with my newest Lego Transformer, Anvil. As you can see, he's in a little bit of an armored military vehicle. It's got some satellites and stuff on the top. Imagine there being like a large empty space inside the back for like maybe some other smaller minicons to be plotting the Decepticons' next move. Got this grill plate, and yeah. So anyway, let's transform Anvil. The first thing you want to do is fold down these bits and flip these bits up. You want to do them one at a time, so you can take this and turn it. There you go. Like that. And what you want to do is take the satellite, just flip it over like that. And you want to do is come to these bits, flip the grill down, just like kind of maneuver that. Whoa, leg came off. Maneuver this bit around and flip up the hands, then flip around the arms, then you flip up the legs. Whoa! If you hear any clanging of metal, it's my dogs outside. Feisty. Anyway, then you want to do is position the legs, position the arms, flip down the grate one more time, and there you have Anvil in his robot mode. As you can see, he's very big and bulky with large legs, and I can imagine him being quite a feared one by a lot of the Autobots. As you can see, his face is like this large grill piece, and I really like the look of it. It looks like he has a very strong metal iron helmet with a little eye inside it. I imagine him as being a blacksmith, so I made him this little hammer. It uses axle. It fits into his hand like that. And fitting to his name, this little anvil. So yeah, since he's a blacksmith, he needs to have an anvil. So yeah. I really like it how his legs come out so straight. And a lot of you are probably going to say that this grill piece was probably a last-ditch effort to give him a head, and yeah, it was. Anyway, sorry, I got a position. This has been wrong intro. This has been one brick at a time with my newest Lego Transformer, Anvil. Bye!